Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here really quick and make a quick video before I start sending out the iReady math reports, just so to give a little clarification on how to read the reports. So this is what you'll be receiving in your email, the iReady diagnostic for math, diagnostic 1, and this is what it will look like. So here, as you can see, they use the colors green, yellow, red. Green would be that, they're on their goal, they're on grade level. Now, because they took the test in the beginning of the year, this is still considered the beginning of the year, and it's a unique situation. If they're still in grade 1 and they're in second grade, it's still considered they're fine. They're where they have to be because technically, all the math they've received has been first grade math up until this point. If I change the view to the standard, it changes them to yellow. That would be when we take it in December. That's when it would be a standard view, where they should be on grade 2 level by then. So right now, since we are in the beginning of the year, if they're still grade 1, they're still considered on grade level since we just started. Okay. Here it breaks up the math into the different domains: number and operations, algebra, measurement and data, geometry, and you can kind of see, where their strengths and weaknesses. The line over here, that is their typical growth. So that's pretty much their goal for the whole year, where they want to end up once they take the last. So there's 3 diagnostic tests every year: in the beginning of the year, in December, and then again at the end of the year. So this is where we want them to be at the end of the year. Their stretch. It's ambitious but attainable. A lot of students reach their stretch goal. So this is like, can we do even better than our goal? This is where we think you can. This is really where we think we can get you. Okay, so the goal is to get into the green, into the on grade level. Here are the recommended minutes. So we will be doing some iReady in class. Sometimes it'll be a teacher assigned assignment, and sometimes we'll just have them work on their lesson plan. Now, I know sometimes maybe it gives them, a really easy lesson. We can't change that. It's their lesson plan that iReady has made for them based on how they did on their diagnostic. So maybe it's really easy for them, but that's fine. Just have them go through it, and iReady will start adjusting based off of how they do. If they're flying through the easy lessons, it'll gradually give them a little bit harder. So we can't change their lesson plan. Sometimes we can add lessons, and that'll be a teacher assigned lesson. That would be something else. Okay. When we're not working on iReady in class, which we'll do every now and then, but not too often, it is recommended that they work on it after school, during the weekend, any other free time that they have, if they would like to help them reach their goal. So here are the recommended minutes. I'm going to go ahead and write them here. Let me see if it'll let me type. Oh, no. Okay, well, if they're on green, so I'm just going to put green right here. It's recommended that they do 45 minutes a week of math. So this is just per subject. So if they score green, they do 45 minutes of iReady. So you split that up throughout the week. So this is for the whole week, right? Not in one day. We don't want to burn them out and have them be doing too much iReady. If their diagnostic was yellow, then it's recommended that they work on 60 minutes for math. Again, now, if it's reading, if they're yellow reading, they do another 60 minutes of reading that week. And then if their diagnostic score is red, their level's red, then it's recommended that they complete 75 minutes for that subject of iReady lessons. Okay. Now, this is recommended. This is in no way mandatory. This is not graded, but it is recommended. And it really does. We have really noticed the students that do work on their goals, their minute goals for the week, really do attain their typical growth or their stretch growth. So it really is helpful. So it's really just to, reinforce. And you're going to notice that the lessons they're not necessarily what we're doing in math class. And that's how iReady works. It's really their own individualized lesson plan. So it's not going to be the same thing we're doing in math. It's trying to fill in the learning gaps based off of how they did on their diagnostic test, trying to fill in what they still need help in and get them to their grade level goal. Okay, well, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start sending their iReady scores individually. It might take me a while since there's quite a few of them, so please have patience. Hopefully, I'll have them all sent out by next week. Thank you.